Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Basically, we are discussing about the topic that is investment of the software industry, and that is USA. So one person told that if USA might be watching this video long before, might have been watched this video long before basically, then they might have started tracking this error long before basically. This video basically I am uploading since more than 1.5 years basically. This text box thing basically. My starting three video basically is connected with this text box only basically, but this basically are little bit detail basically, but in that basically I have told everything basically. So here one person told that USA basically is giving 5 lakh crore to India, and India basically is accepting the 5 lakh crore, and they basically spends the 5 lakh crore to Indian businessmen, and Indian businessmen basically are giving salary, sorry, money to the Indian software professional basically, that are the company like Infosys, IBM, then Wipro, TCS, Patani, Symphony, then Symantec, then Wipro, then Dell, HP, Oracle, Accenture, Capgemini, then NetWeb Solution, Numerator, then Rishabh Software. Like this, many companies basically are there. They are spreading the money to this Indian software companies basically. That is a 5 lakh crore amount basically. So in that 5 lakh crore basically, there is not a there is no money basically allocated for Sunil or NAIR basically. So that is basically also one of the point. That is, this is error actually. This is error basically for me basically, it's error. So here basically one person told that USA government basically had their responsibility, right? They told that basically this is our software responsibility for the Earth planet, for the each and every countries who wants the computer and who wants to use the software basically. So that is basically our responsibility. They spreaded the responsibility. They basically given the 5 lakh crore to India country, and India country basically started taking the responsibility. It's not like that basically they had not taken the responsibility. They had done their task perfectly basically. They had done their task perfectly basically. But if you're taking 5 lakh crore, so they are basically uh, not a mad people basically. That they basically literally give 5 lakh crore. So there might be some group basically who might be knowing the error basically. That's why they might have given the 5 lakh crore basically. Otherwise, they will basically, why they will give 5 lakh crore basically. That is also a question. I mean, 5 lakh crore is a normal amount basically. 5 lakh plus crore. That is 5 lakh crore. So it's a huge amount basically. Yeah, basically. So is America basically is giving the money to India, and India is basically not allocating money to the Sunil Nair. Then one of the person told that it might possible that USA group basically might have not have allocated money to you basically. That possibility also there basically. That possibilities are also there. So here this video basically we are stopping with 5 lakh crore money basically given by USA to India, but India basically or USA basically not allocated the money to Sunil Nair basically. And this is basically one error for Sunil Nair because my income basically has stopped by USA and Indian group basically. And now basically before this basically stopping this video basically I will connect to few points basically. Like assume that basically Space Center group watched this video. That without checking they basically send the data to Space Center and satellites. So what will happen basically? The Space Center group will be responsible or the USA will be responsible. This is basically or basically the Indian group basically India land will be responsible. So in next video basically we are going to try to find out the error, who will be responsible and who are responsible for this error.